Morgan Mills with FloodGate Medical, and last week we had an incredible time and absolutely beautiful weather at 2022's International Symposium of Endovascular Therapy in Hollywood, Florida. Wow, was it a powerful event with 35 exhibitors specialized in the latest technology in the endovascular space. Exhibitors range from major players, Becton Dickinson and Boston Scientific, primarily focused on expansions, mergers, acquisitions, and new product development, to growing companies such as Thrombolex and Surmodics, making a big name for themselves in this space. Rapid technological innovation and significant improvement in minimally invasive surgeries will likely continue to propel the endovascular treatment devices market well into 2028. And in case you missed the show, here are some buzz-worthy highlights. Cardiva Medical showcased how they've been able to reach and expand exponentially with a new partnership, joining Surmodics this past year. They are now able to reach international needs and continue to transform vascular closure in over 5.5 million catheter-based coronary, peripheral, and EP procedures in the US that require access site closure each year. Thrombolex is a new leading innovator of endovascular catheters. They released some pretty impressive data after the first day of the show, disclosing their rescue trial, evaluating patient outcomes after treatment of acute PE. The trial showed a 90% reduction in the number of totally occluded pulmonary arteries and a 72% reduction in segmented arteries at 48 hours post-procedure, compared to the baseline CT angiogram. This trial also showed significant reduction in thrombus burden post-procedure. That's a great way to kick off the new year for Thrombolex. Excited to see improved patient outcomes and the impact that they have. Next, we saw our faces in an interesting software system set up at Avail Medsystems booth, a super cool startup company. They have created a big digitizing presence and a very unique product offering, a fully integrated audiovisual hardware and software system that is creating collaboration during procedures in real time. This audiovisual tool is able to share knowledge about surgical techniques and accelerate adoption of new products and procedures. Procedural telemedicine, if you will. Innovation at its finest. Angiodynamics, a much larger player in the game, exhibited their AlphaVac system, a slight spin-off from their AngioVac product that is a first-line, multi-purpose mechanical aspiration device, super easy to use and safe for the removal of thromboemboli from the venous system, more portable than ever. There was a lot of action around Surmodics booth and some pretty awesome marketing surrounding the first of its kind subline radial access platform that is setting a new standard for lower extremity treatment through a transradial approach, not only limited to the use of the wrist. Surmodics was already an established global leader in surface modification technologies for intravascular medical devices, partnering with big names like Abbott and Medtronic, and a leading provider of in vitro diagnostic tests. They're taking innovation to commercialization, and we will continue to see them expand in the market. Lastly, Viz.AI has been able to transform care with the introduction of an intelligent care coordination system. Their Viz platform is the future of care. It's powered by AI, replaces outdated conventional care practices with a single platform, enabling care teams to save time, reduce leakage, and improve the lives of patients. This platform improves the response to diagnosis from 2 to 4 hours to roughly 2 to 4 minutes for critical conditions like strokes, intracranial hemorrhages, PE, and aortic disease. Such a huge advancement, and AI is becoming more popular than ever, and really awesome to see it in the endovascular space. Thank you to all of the endovascular innovators, from major players to startups. It's incredible to see how these endovascular therapies will advance care, prevent lethal cardiovascular complications, and improve overall cardiovascular health. In case I missed anything, feel free to share some other exciting things from the show. I look forward to next year's Buzz.